Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we are going to look at the difference between an invoice and a quote on Keepsales. Now there are videos on how to generate an invoice and a quote, and also how to convert a quote to an invoice. So do well to check all these videos out. So as you may have noticed, there's a difference between an invoice and a quote on Keepsales. And although when you go to our feature, you'll see them together on one button, that is invoice and a quote, they are actually different. So an invoice is a formal document that you provide to your client detailing the list of items or services the customer has requested for and will later pay for. So in that document, you are able to keep track of how much is due you from the client, and the customer is also privy to that document, and as a result, both you and the client are able to track payments made by the client. Invoicing is a type of expense, but in this case, the items received by the client is considered an asset. So this kind of relationship usually exists between businesses with an invoice as evidence of proof for goods acquired. So in Keep Sales, when you generate an invoice, it is recorded as sales and there is a reduction to your inventory, or there's a deduction to your inventory. A quote, on the other hand, is a formal document you provide to your client which only details the list of goods or services and their corresponding prices. Usually, you provide a quote to a client who is only interested in the prices for your goods or services. So in Keep Sales, when you generate a quote for a client, it is not recorded as sales and your inventory isn't interfered with. But then you can go a step further to convert a quote to an invoice. So if the client decides to acquire these goods or services from you to be paid at a later date, then on Keep Sales, you are actually able to convert a quote to an invoice. Now that process is possible on Keep Sales, and we have a video on how to convert a quote to an invoice. So you can actually go check that video out. So meaning on Keep Sales, you actually don't have to generate for the same quote another invoice in case we want to track payments for the goods that we have leased out. So you are simply able to just convert the quote to an invoice. So thank you so much for watching this video. This was a more theoretical video and I hope you enjoyed it. There are more of these available on YouTube, so do well to check out all our videos. See you again and have a nice time. Bye.